So children, today what we are going to discuss is that we will discuss about the decimal to hexadecimal conversion. So that means what we have a number that is in decimal number system, and we have to convert that into the equivalent hexadecimal number system. Okay. So before we will start the conversion, let's get to the basic of what we have what we have in the hexadecimal number system. Okay, so as I have already told you that in a hexadecimal number system you will have how many symbols? You will have symbols like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Also these all are included in the decimal part, right? But when we are considering it for the hexadecimal group, we will be having some more symbols like for 10 we have A, for 11 we have B, for 12 we have C, for 13 we have D, for 14 we have E, and for 15 we have F. So that means what? When you will count the number of symbols, the number of symbols is 16. So I have told you that the base of hexadecimal is 16. So this was the basic of hexadecimal number system. Now let's get towards the conversion. Okay. Now we have to convert. The decimal numbers to the hexadecimal form. Okay. So for that we will be using the method. That method you already know, that is repeated division method. So as I have already told you that in case of repeated division method, what will happen in the number system in which you have to convert, like here we have to convert it into the hexadecimal number system. So you will divide the decimal term with the base of hexadecimal number system. So as I have already told you, the base for a hexadecimal number system is 16. So that means what? Whenever you will be provided with a decimal number, you have to divide the decimal number from 16 in order to convert it into the hexadecimal equivalent. Okay. Now after this, very quickly we will take up an example. And in this example we have a number that is 466 base 10, and we have to convert that into the hexadecimal equivalent. Okay, so how you will be doing in this, that first you will be having this number 426, and you have to start dividing it with the hexadecimal number system base. Okay, so the base I have told you for hexadecimal is 16. So we will start up with 16. Okay, now so what will happen next? In the next step, you will be dividing this 426 with 16. So this will be 6 to 32. 16 to 32, and this will be equal to 32, and 106 is there. So when 106 is there, it will go for 16 6 the 96. 96, and 10 will be the remainder. So for the hexadecimal, if you have 10, you can represent it as A. So on the right hand side for the remainder, I will be writing A. Next, in next step, again you will be dividing this 26 with 16. So what will happen? It will go for one time, and 10 will be the remainder. So instead of writing 10, you can write the symbol that is A. In the next step, it will go for 0 times, and 1 will be the remainder over here. So what will be the result for this? If you have 426 base 10, the after the hexadecimal equivalent is 1A base 16. So this is the solution, and this is the basic of how you will be converting from decimal number system to the hexadecimal number system. So in the coming videos we will be discussing more of these kind of examples where we will be converting the numbers in the decimal number system to its hexadecimal equivalent. So that's it in this video. Thank you for watching. Keep watching the next two videos also.